Let me teach you how to create a shop page. What you do, come to your dashboard, click on hover on templates, then click on theme builder. When you click theme builder, it will open a page like this. So what you do here is you to look for product archive. Click here. When you are there, click add new. So once you click add new, you will come to a page like this one. So when you come to a page like this one, then you can design your archive pages. For example, we shall add here padding, then put your background image. For example, this one, center it. Then here we shall use archive title. Archive title. Then you can increase the size, change the color. Add conditions to entire archives. You can increase the padding from here. Then after, you can add a new section like this. After adding a new section, you can drag this. If your products have descriptions, use this widget here for the description. So if they do not have, you leave it. So if you need add now products, you shall use archive products. You paste them there, then everything will be seen. So this is where you are going to design your products from. So now here you can style, come this way, side, you center everything. You can change now the colors. You can do anything here. All of this can be designed. Come to box. You can even add the box like that. You can even design the paginations, add cells. This one here, you can enable it or disable this. So this is how you can create it. So after that, go to your WordPress. Go to pages. Then I have a page here named shop. I can view it. After viewing it, this is what I will see. So to design it, you have to create an archive like this. Then it is this one which will design. You design this according to based on your colors. Then you will come up with something like this. This will change to this, so because this controls the other. So let me know if you have understood. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.